so my name is Sana, and the piece I wrote is Dolore e Sofferenza, which means pain and suffering. I was just learning about D minor, and I really liked the way it sounded. And when I was exploring through D minor, my teacher, Miss Amelia, she told me to try C sharp, and well, I just did D, C sharp, D, and everything just came after that. So this song made me like think of pain and like suffering at some part. And well, I went to Google and just searched pain, and I found a lot of different things. But I thought that Dolore really suited the song, and for suffering it was Sofferenza, and Dolore Sofferenza, pain and suffering. I thought suited this song.
Nice! Great performance, Sana. Good work.